Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 8 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 8 is not here at Verizon Prepaid. Y'all will have three colors to choose from: that Obsidian, Rose, and Hazel color options. Two storage options: 128 gigs for $799.99 or 256 gigs, $859.99. Alright, so yeah. Here's the Pixel 8. There it is, front and back. Very nice looking phone. I prefer the Pixel 7 design in my personal opinion, but the phone does not look bad either. So y'all will have your whole point safety for your front facing camera. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. On the back of the phone is your dual camera setup, Google logo and whatnot, and it has the camera bump like you would see on the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 devices. Alright. Okay, looks like that's all I'm going to show us there for the phone. So the Pixel 8 is 2.8 inches in width, 5.9 inches in height, up to 237 hours of standby time. 4G usage 26.80 hours. 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus. f2.2 aperture. 125.8 degrees field of view. The camera ultra HDR, magic editor, best take, macro focus, magic eraser, photo unblur, motion mode, real tone, face unblur, panorama, manual white balancing, lock folder, night sight, astrophotography, top shot, portrait mode camera. It says meet Pixel 8, the helpful phone engineered by Google, with an amazing camera, powerful security, and a 24-hour battery. The new Google Tensor G3 chip is a custom design. It's custom designed with Google AI for cutting edge photos and video features and smarter ways to help throughout your day. Pixel 8 has personal safety features for added peace of mind, including multiple layers of security. Pair Pixel 8 with Verizon. The network America relies on and experience ultra-fast connectivity with Verizon 5G ultra wideband network. Now in more places. Okay, a stunning display with a fresh, modern design. Pixel 8's 6.2 inch high resolution Aqua display delivers sharp, vivid colors and rich detail. The refresh rate up to 120 Hz enables smoother gaming, scrolling, and switching between apps. And it's beautifully designed with contour edges, a satin finish, and stylish colors. Amazing photos and videos without a doubt. The Pixel camera is fully upgraded and has advanced image processing to reveal vivid colors and striking details in any light. It records sharp, smooth videos with clear audio, even in crowded, dimly lit places. With macro focus, the smallest subjects can become spectacular images. Audio, magic eraser, can make distracting noises like cars or wind disappear from your videos. Use magic editor to change a photo background, move a subject, and add custom edits in Pixel's best. combine similar photos into one fantastic shot. Do more even faster. Built-in Google AI Pixel 8 gives you extra help throughout your day with Live Translate. You can make face-to-face conversations in 49 languages, translate messages in real time, and translate signs. Call screen detects and filters out even more spam calls. For other calls, it can even tell you who's calling and why before you pick up. And Google Assistant can summarize, read aloud, or translate articles for you. Powerful safety and security features with the Titan M2 security chip and Google Tensor G3. Pixel 8 is built with multiple layers of security to keep your personal info safe. Get proactive notifications about nearby hazards like flooding, fire, or a tornado. Built to last. Google Pixel's adaptive battery can last over 24 hours or up to 22 hours with extreme battery saver, and charges faster than ever with Gorilla Glass Victus and IP68 protection. Your Pixel 8 can handle scratches, slips, spills, and dust. Plus, it comes with 7 years of new features and software updates thanks to feature drops that keep your device fresh so you won't have to keep getting a new phone. It's easy to switch to Pixel. There's no other phone like Pixel. It's a smartphone that delivers custom help wherever and whenever you need it. It comes with all your favorite Google apps, and it's innovative new features over time. No matter what phone you are switching from, you can transfer contacts, messages, photos, and apps over to your Pixel in a few simple steps, and it only takes about 30 minutes. Alright. Specs: the Pixel 8 is 5.9 inches height, 2.8 inches width, and 0.4 inches depth. The Pixel 8 weighs 6.6 ounces. It has Type-C charging, of course. Colors: obsidian, hazel, and rose color options. Noticeable materials: it has fingerprint resistive coating. The aluminum in the housing is 100% recycled content, made with at least 18% recycled materials based on product weight. Screen: full screen 6.2 inch OLED display that is a 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution, 428 ppi, up to 120 Hz refresh rate, 20:9 aspect ratio, 237 hours of standby time, 26.80 hours on 4G time. Battery is a 4575 mAh battery, fast charging, wireless charging, force power share, of course. Front facing camera 10.5 megapixel dual PD selfie camera, f2.2 aperture, autofocus, 95 degrees ultra wide field of view, rear camera 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with autofocus, f2.2 aperture, and 125.8 degrees field of view. Camera features: Ultra HDR, Magic Editor, Best Take, Macro Focus, Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, Motion Mode, real time, face on blur, panorama, manual white balancing, lock folder, night sight, astrophotography, top side, portrait mode, video, rear camera, 4K, 2430 and 60, 1080p at 2430, front facing camera, 4K, 2430 and 60. Processor is a Google Tensor G3 chip, a Titan M2 security code processor there. Has Android 14 on board, so it should get 7 years of updates. So whatever Android will be in 7 years, should get all the way up until that point. Hotspot, security, fingerprint, unlock with under display, fingerprint reader, fingerprint sensor, face unlock, pattern, pin password, Bluetooth 5.3 with dual antenna for enhanced quality and connection. Google Assistant has some accessibility settings there. It has 5G nationwide, of course, 5G ultra wideband, of course, 4G. It's a mobile device. Star ratings there: Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, AC, AX. It has 6 GHz Wi-Fi. If you guys need help with your Pixel 8, Verizon is here to help you out. With that. It says Verizon Line support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So pretty nice there. What comes in the box is your Pixel 8, your Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick switch adapter, support card, and some ejection tools. So you send this off in the box there. You guys will need to provide your own charger, a Type-C charging adapter. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Pixel 8 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $7.99 or $8.59 respectively. The Pixel 8 is a very nice looking phone. I prefer like the more squarish design of like the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 series, but the Pixel 8 does not look bad either. So yeah, if you guys want like the best Pixel right now, the Pixel 8 is worth checking out here. And yeah, and you guys will get 7 years of updates, which is freaking insane. So check it out now if you guys are interested. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it has meant a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.